Yo guys, welcome to Trader's Mind. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys what breaker block is and how to trade the breaker block. So if you really want to change your trading game, you have to learn about breaker block. Of course, you're on the right channel. So guys, in this video, we're gonna uncover the concept of breaker block and show you how they can be a game changer in your trading. Whether you're looking to improve your entries, align with institutional move, or just take your trading strategy to the next level, this guide has everything you need. So let's dive in. Yo guys, so what is a breaker block? A breaker block is a specific price area that forms after the market makes an attempt to manipulate traders through a false breakout. So, assuming we are currently in an uptrend and the market is making higher highs, taking buy stop liquidity. So, and of course, we have our point of interest above. So, the market tapped into our point of interest. So now we are basically expecting the market to displace to the downside. So as soon as the market took the previous swing low, so now this swing low is now our breaker block because the market has turned from bullish to bearish. So now the previous swing low is now our breaker block. So the market retraced back to this level, to this previous swing low that was broken. And now this is where we anticipate a price movement to the downside. So this is a breaker block. So guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to spot this breaker block real on the charts and how to trade them. So let's dive in.
So guys, just as you can see the market was making higher highs, taking the buy stop liquidity. As soon as the market took this buy stop liquidity, the market displaced to the downside, which took out the previous swing low. That is our market structure shift. Now the market retraced back to this breaker block, the previous swing low that is now our breaker block. This is where we anticipate a price movement to the downside. So guys, I'm going to be giving you another example about this breaker block. As you can see, the market was making higher highs, taking buy stop liquidity. As soon as the market displaced to the downside, which is our market structure shift and also a breaker block because it's actually the previous swing low that was broken. So the market retraced back to this breaker block. This is where we anticipate a price movement to the downside. So guys, as you can see in this example here, also the market was actually making higher highs, and as soon as the market broke its structure, we can simply say the previous swing low that was broken is actually the breaker block. So the market often retraces back to these levels. This is where we also anticipate a price movement to the downside.
Yo, this is another example of what I'm trying to teach you guys. You can see the same thing repeating itself. The market took the buy side liquidity, broke its market structure, and retraced back to the breaker block. This is the place we're gonna anticipate to the downside. This is very important. You have to backtest a lot before you can be able to trade this real time. So make sure you go into your charts, backtest, and you can see you'll be able to know how to find them, when to find them, and how to trade them. So guys, if you actually find this video valuable, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. Have a nice day. See you guys.